Turn down those graphic settings. Turn them down.
It's all the way down.
Turn them down even further.
This is to go even further beyond.
Magelus.
Where do we go? Where are we going?
I feel like we should jump in 3, 2, 1. I gotta sneeze. Fuck.
Oh no! Why do you gotta sneeze? Not at this point. Where are you going?
No.
You're leaving me.
I don't even know. Wait, where are you? I don't even see you.
Oh, I'm that little yellow dot. Oh no! Come back.
My character looking extra thick. Someone's named Lil Pump. Like,
Little pump. Don't.
Fog
do it. I
preparing
found-
to commence.
I have like a.
Wait, hold up.
What
Who?
is this?
Who? Oh god, I turned into a chicken. I don't know what happened.
You don't do it.
I turned.
No.
I was eliminated. I don't even know how to fucking play. Where's the weapon? Oh wait, no, you have to find a weapon. Duh. It's like Battle Royale. Fuck.
Yeah.
I completely forgot.
I just threw a flare. It's
Oop.
right there.
Nope.
Maybe I can get myself like executed first-handedly. What is this? What is this? What? Wait.
What is what?
I gotta go see what this is. What are you?
Oh, that's my weapon because I died.
Oh.
And there's a person that killed me.
No! Don't touch me!
I'm guessing like if you're the chicken, if
You
you
can
stay
be
alive
revived.
for 30 seconds. Yeah, wow. We placed 39th out of how many?
I think
Out of how many?
I would say probably like 50 because it's duos of 2.
Probably. Ah.
So we didn't die that fast, I suppose. Well,
We could have died immediately, but alright.
you can fly.
They're just you can fly.
You can fly.
I just realized that. That is fun. That is
All
fun.
right. So
We'll return to the lobby.
yeah, we're returning to the lobby. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh my god, like legit the latest Sword Art Online, I can't remember the actual name of it, but their whole thing is called Squad Jam. It is basically fucking Battle Royale, fucking Fortnite.
I bet they did that because it's popular right now.
It really is. Like that's their whole selling point about like this season in particular. Alright, what should I do? I feel like I should
I'm
do
doing mage.
fucking engineer.
Because mage can fly. Where are you at? I don't. Oh, you're over here.
I don't.
Wait. Yeah, you're right here. I found you.
Hi.
Hey,
Looking
I'm a chick.
fucking thick as fuck.
You're a guy. You're a buff guy with a knife. Get your knife out of my face.
Is there dancing in this game?
I don't know.
Can I dance like in? I don't think there's dancing. I'm pressing literally every button.
Yeah, I don't
and
think
there's
there's
nothing I
dancing
can
either.
do.
What? Ooh, there's like
don't know.
purple trees over there. You want to go towards the purple trees?
Purple trees?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Purple
You ready?
trees.
You ready?
Nah.
Go.
Haha.
Purple trees.
Oh shit! I think
Oh wait, those are mushrooms.
fucking went too early. Those are mushrooms. Holy shit!
Oh wait, there's like another little outpost
like
right
we're-
here. I'm gonna like hit the outpost.
I'm just gonna crash into this house. Okay, I need a fucking gun. Give me a goddamn gun. I need that now, please. Give me all of the guns, all of the weaponry. Ooh, is this a chest? Is this a loot? Search! Search! I said search!
Wait. Oh. There's no fall damage. We're good.
Oof!
Wait, what's
Oof.
going on? What's going on? I just shot
People
a
are
fireball.
attacking me!
I just shot a fireball.
How? How? They open up the chest before me, assholes.
Wait.
Assholes.
Whoa. Where are you going? I'm behind you.
Oh, fuck! No!
I got a weapon.
All I have was a fucking knife! How did you get a fireball?
I got a
I need to
fireball.
know these things. The
I killed a
chicken
friend.
died.
I killed his friend.
Just
Hop
hop the victory!
Hopping the victory.
Save yourself!
Hopping the victory. No. This guy
17
sucks.
more
This guy
seconds,
sucks.
bro. You
This guy
got
sucks.
this.
This guy
You
sucks.
got this. You got this. It's all good. It's all good.
No.
Look at you. You dodged so many bullets.
I did.
You dodged so many.
I killed his friend.
Bro. Are you like are you secretly like a master at this game? Are you
Maybe.
ninja?
I've
Are
been
you
playing
ninja
this
of
like
Realm
my
Royale?
whole entire life. All right.
You've been playing it since the beta.
Well, this is the alpha.
Oh man. You want to do another one?
Long ago I made a vow to never ever let you down. Then you slipped right through the cracks and now